In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade Forex on TastyFX. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your dashboard, you want to find your account. So for me, I have one demo account over here, and you want to click on Open Platform. Now, when you do this, it's going to open their demo platform or their trading platform over here, which is basically where you can go ahead and start trading. And then here, you can click on all FX pairs on the left-hand side, and then you can find the pair you would like to trade. So we're just going to go with Euro USD for now. And when you do that, click on it, and it opens up a chart here on the right-hand side. And this is where you can go ahead and start trading by clicking the trade button up here. It's going to open a trading panel here on the right-hand side. And this is where you can basically select if you want to either buy or sell, and then you have either standard or quick over here, so whichever you want to do. And then you can do a market order or any other type of order available over here. You can set stop losses, take profits, sizes in lots, etc. And then you can just click on place trade over here, and you've successfully traded Forex on TastyFX. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.